हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि हमने पिछले वीडियो में यूनिट 1 का टेक्स्ट 1 किया था, तो इस वीडियो में अब हम टेक्स्ट 2 के सॉल्यूशंस करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो अब हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ सोफिया एंड हु इज़ हर क्रिएटर? सो आंसर इज सोफिया इज द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट humanoid robot created by American scientist David Hansen of Hansen Robotics of Hong Kong. So our next question, that is second, is why were the audience excited on the second day of the World Congress on Information Technology 2018? Answer is the audience were excited because Sophia, the world's first humanoid robot, gave witty answers to the rapid fire queries by Rajiv Makhni, Group Managing Editor, Teach NDTV. So इसके साथ अब हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी खत्म होता है. Let's begin with the third question. The third question is, the favorite teach person in Sophia life is? Options are Shah Rukh Khan, David Hansen, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. So answer is David Hansen. So next question, that is fourth, is what changes does humanoid robot want to see in the world? Answer is the humanoid robot would like people to develop a feeling of love for all. So our fifth question is, which of the following statements regarding Sophia is true? Options are Sophia plans to kill the human race in the near future. B option is she can express her emotional feeling freely. C option is Hong Kong is her favorite place. And last option, that is D, is Sophia has a bank account. So answer is C, that is Hong Kong is her favorite place. So sixth question is, what are David's assertions as far as robots are concerned? David asserts robots would never be a thing of worry for the mankind. They will be friends. There should be mutual trust and respect between humans and robots. So let's begin with our vocabulary part. First is, go back to the chapter, the one they had given in your textbook, Behave, and identify words that mean the following. The paragraph numbers are given in the bracket. First is sadly. In bracket it is given 3, means हमारे third paragraph में है. इसका meaning है sorrowfully. Next, B is unfamiliar. Meaning of unfamiliar is strange in 7th stanza. And next is C, that is quite likely. It means probably in 8th stanza. Next, D, in a casual, calm and relaxed manner. It is in 9th stanza. Meaning of this is nonchalantly. Next, E and last one is something beaming and shining, means flashing in 10th stanza. सो अब हमारा जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट है, सेकंड पार्ट है, उसकी मैं हेडिंग तो नहीं पढ़ूंगी, सीधा आंसर्स ही दे देती हूँ. हमें बस दो को कंपेयर करना है, मार्जी के स्कूल को एंड योर स्कूल को. फर्स्टली अब हम मार्जी के स्कूल को करेंगे. एंड मार्जी के स्कूल के बारे में अब हम लिखेंगे, एट हर होम राइट नेक्स्ट. फर्स्टली हमें पहले प्लेस लिखनी है, जैसे कि उन्होंने दिए हुए है प्लेस. देन टीचर के बारे में लिखना है. एंड देन लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज़ इन स्कूल के बारे में लिखना है. तो पहले प्लेस के बारे में लिखेंगे, एट हर होम राइट नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम. प्लेस ये थी. नेक्स्ट, टीचर, शी हैज़ मैकेनिकल टीचर. And next, learning activities in school. She studied alone. There were no classmates. Lessons are shown on the big screen. Conducted test after test. Wrote homework in a punch code and inserted in the slot. Learning in monotonous. So next we will compare your school, that is place, teachers and learning activities in school. Place, special building for schools, and teachers, teacher is human. And then learning activities in school, children of familiar age studied same content, used real books, test is being evaluated manually. Children can help each other in doing homeworks. Learning is enjoyable. Third part is find the odd one out. A is pleasure, misery, happiness, delight. Answer of A is misery. Next B, note, diary, book, copy. Answer is book. C is TV, computer, mobile, scanner. Answer is scanner. D is display, exhibit, appear, show. Answer is appear. E is scornful, contemptuous, mocking, diversity. Answer is diversity. G is illuminating, gladdening, pleasing, gratifying. Answer is illuminating. So next fourth one is you would have come across the use of prefixes like dis, un, miss, in, etc. to make opposite words. For example, consolative, disconsolate. Write the opposite words of the following. अब हमें पहले दिया हुआ है यूज़. सो जैसे कि उन्होंने ऊपर वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं डिस, अन, मिस, इन का यूज़ करना है या और कोई भी हो सकता है. तो यूज़ का हमारा आंसर आएगा मिसयूज़. नेक्स्ट बी एग्री, डिसएग्री. सी इंगेज, डिसइंगेज. डी अंडरस्टैंड, मिसअंडरस्टैंड. एंड ई फोल्ड, अनफोल्ड. स्पेल, मिसस्पेल. डिस्कनेक्ट, लाइक, dislike, visible, invisible, predicatable, unpredicatable. नेक्स्ट हमारे फिफ्थ आ जाते हैं. दिस फिक्स आर यूज टू गेट एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड्स. एग्जाम्पल डेंजर, डेंजरस. यूज द करेक्ट फिक्स टू द फॉलोइंग टू मेक एडजेक्टिव. फर्स्ट इज A, that is comfort. We have to we will add able, comfortable. Second B, sun, sunny. C, read, readable. D, beauty, beautiful. E, enjoy, enjoyable. F, suit, suitable. G, help, helpful. H, use, useful या usable भी आ सकता है. I, hazard या hazardous. J, impress या impressive. सॉरी impress और उसका आंसर आएगा impressive. Let's begin with the grammar part. Fill in the blanks with if or unless. A option. A is I wouldn't be able to assist you dash. You gave me all the details of the report. Answer is unless. In B, I will take this job dash if working hours suit me. Answer is if. In next we will answer is if he advertised on TV he will get a lot of publicity. Next answer is unless it is very cold we will not have any snow. E, the thief threatened to kill us. Answer is if we didn't give him the money. Next F, unless you use high quality material you cannot build a strong house. Answer is unless. Next second part is I will just tell the answers. A part is I would never keep a last jog. I have time to exercise it properly. So answer of this is I would never keep a last jog unless I have enough time to exercise it properly. Next answer of B is Sita would have come first in class if she had not fallen ill. Next answer of C is you must not dive unless you have been properly trained. Answer of D is medical evidences suggest that people would enjoy better health if they did not consume refined sugar. Next answer of E is I might have got the job if I had not been late for the interview. Answer of F is if you do not stop smoking, you will fall seriously ill. Next answer of G is you do not if you do not come now, I am going to leave without you. सो इसके साथ मैं यहाँ पे वीडियो एंड करती हूँ बिकॉज़ वीडियो ऑलरेडी लॉन्ग बन चुकी है और इसका मैं पार्ट 2 जल्दी पोस्ट करूँगी। सो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी और आपके लिए यूज़फुल थी तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड थम्स अप पर भी क्लिक कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग ऑल, कीप वॉचिंग, liking and sharing. Bye.